Landing pages are a powerful tool in affiliate marketing, and understanding how to use them effectively can significantly boost your success. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what a landing page actually is. It's a standalone web page created specifically for a marketing or advertising campaign. Unlike a homepage, which has multiple links and distractions, a landing page is focused on a single goal: converting visitors into leads or sales. This is crucial in affiliate marketing, where your aim is to drive traffic to specific products or services. Now, the first step in creating an effective landing page is to know your audience. Who are you targeting? What are their pain points? Understanding your audience allows you to tailor your message directly to them. Use language that resonates with their needs and desires. If you're promoting a fitness product, for example, speak to their goals of losing weight or building muscle. Make it personal and relatable. Next, let's discuss the importance of a strong headline. Your headline is the first thing visitors will see, and it needs to grab their attention immediately. It should be clear, compelling, and convey the value of what you're offering. A great headline can make the difference between a visitor bouncing off your page or sticking around to learn more. Once you have their attention, the next element is the content. Keep it concise and focused. Use bullet points or short paragraphs to make it easy to read. Highlight the benefits of the product you're promoting, not just the features. People want to know how it will improve their lives. If you're promoting a kitchen gadget, explain how it saves time and makes cooking easier. Use testimonials or reviews to build credibility and trust. Social proof is incredibly powerful in persuading potential buyers. Visuals also play a crucial role. Use high-quality images or videos that showcase the product in action. A well-placed video can increase conversions significantly. People are more likely to engage with visual content, so make sure it's appealing and relevant. Now let's talk about the call to action, or CTA. This is where you guide your visitors on what to do next. Make your CTA clear and compelling. Use action-oriented language like "Get yours now" or "Start your free trial." Position your CTA prominently on the page, ideally above the fold, so it's one of the first things visitors see. Another key aspect is optimizing for mobile. With so many people browsing on their phones, your landing page must be mobile-friendly. Ensure that it loads quickly and that all elements are easily clickable. A frustrating experience on mobile can lead to lost sales. Finally, don't forget to test and analyze your landing page's performance. Use A/B testing to try different headlines, images, or CTAs to see what resonates best with your audience. Monitor your conversion rates and make adjustments as needed. The beauty of digital marketing is that you can continually refine your approach based on real data. In summary, using landing pages for affiliate marketing is all about understanding your audience, crafting a compelling message, and optimizing for conversions. With the right strategy, you can turn casual visitors into loyal customers, driving your affiliate marketing success to new heights.